Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Deals Today, where we dive into the best web hosting services on the market. In today's video, we're going to talk about Verpex Hosting, a rising star in the hosting world that's been making waves with its affordable and feature-packed plans. Let's jump right in. What is Verpex Hosting? First off, what exactly is Verpex Hosting? Verpex is a relatively new player in the web hosting industry, but it's quickly gained a reputation for providing reliable, affordable, and flexible hosting solutions. Whether you're a beginner looking to launch your first website or an experienced developer needing a robust hosting environment, Verpex has something for everyone. Key features of Verpex Hosting. Now, let's break down some of the key features that make Verpex Hosting stand out. Number 1. Blazing fast performance. Verpex uses light-speed web servers and SSD storage, ensuring your site loads quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Global data centers. With data centers spread across the globe, you can choose a location closest to your target audience, which helps reduce latency and improve site speed. Number 3. Free daily backups. Verpex offers free daily backups to keep your data safe. If something goes wrong, you can restore your site with just a few clicks. Number 4. Free website migrations. Switching to Verpex is hassle-free. Thanks to their free migration service, they handle the entire process for you. Number 5. Daily 24-hour and weekly 7 days expert support. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just need some guidance, Verpex's support team is available 24/7 to help you out. Now, let's talk about pricing. Verpex offers a range of hosting plans to suit different needs. Number 1. Shared hosting. Perfect for beginners, starting as low as $1.49 per month. It includes a free domain, SSL certificates, and easy-to-use panel. Number 2. Reseller hosting. Ideal for agencies and developers looking to host multiple client sites. Pricing is competitive, and you get WHM access to manage all accounts. Price start from $1.80 per month. Number 3. Managed WordPress hosting. Price start from 59 cents per month. Tailored for WordPress users with features like auto updates and enhanced security. Number 4. Cloud hosting. Price start from 59 cents per month. Verpex's cloud hosting plans are a great option for those who need more power and scalability. All these plans come with a 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Verpex risk-free. Pros and cons of Verpex hosting. Every hosting service has its strengths and weaknesses, so let's quickly go over the pros and cons of Verpex. Here are pros list. Affordable pricing, especially for beginners. Fast and reliable performance with light-speed servers. Excellent customer support. Here is cons list. Limited storage on lower-tier plans. Being relatively new, it lacks the long-term track record of some competitors. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, making Verpex a solid choice for most users. So, should you choose Verpex Hosting? If you're looking for a hosting provider that offers great performance, reliable support, and competitive pricing, Verpex is definitely worth considering. It's a particularly good option for beginners and small businesses who need a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you've used Verpex or if you're considering it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy hosting!